Imagine walking up to a pull-up bar and knocking out one clean rep. Then 5. Then 10. Now picture yourself hitting 20 perfect pull-ups without swinging, without cheating, and without letting go. Sounds impossible? For most people it does. Not because they're weak, not because they don't train hard enough, but because they've been chasing pull-ups in the wrong way from the very beginning. So why can some people reach 20 while others can't even get their chin over the bar once? Is it really just about stronger arms, or is there one hidden weakness that's quietly holding you back every single time you jump to the bar? Today, you're going to learn the fastest progression to 20 pull-ups, not random tips, not gym myths, but a complete system that actually builds the strength every perfect rep depends on. And the first thing stopping your progress isn't your back, and it isn't your biceps either. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at someone doing 20 effortless pull-ups and thought, they just have stronger arms than me? That's exactly what most people believe, and it's the biggest mistake keeping them stuck. If bigger arms alone built better pull-ups, every guy with huge biceps would dominate the pull-up bar. But they don't. So what's really happening? A perfect pull-up is a full-body movement. Before your lats and biceps can even do their job, your grip has to hold. Your core has to keep your body stable. And your shoulder blades have to create a solid foundation. Have you ever felt your hands give up? Your legs start swinging? Or your shoulders collapse before your back even felt challenged? That's your weakest link taking control. Pull-ups don't reveal your strongest muscle, they expose your weakest one. And until you fix that weak link, no amount of extra pulling will get you to 20. So, if your body is only as strong as its weakest link, which one should you fix first? Think about it, why do so many people spend months jumping up to the pull-up bar, yet never get stronger? Because they're obsessed with counting reps, instead of building the foundation every great pull-up depends on. Before you chase 20 perfect pull-ups, your body needs 4 things. A stronger grip, a stable core, controlled shoulder blades, and the ability to own your body weight. That's why exercises like dead hangs, scapular pull-ups, and core stability work aren't optional, they're the reason advanced athletes make pull-ups look effortless. Would you rather fail 10 pull-up attempts every workout, or spend 1 week building the strength that makes every rep feel lighter? Imagine grabbing the bar and for the first time your body stays completely still. No swinging, no collapsing shoulders, just total control from the moment your hands lock onto the bar. And once that foundation is in place, your first real pull-up is much closer than you think. Now comes the moment that frustrates almost everyone. You grab the bar, pull as hard as you can, and nothing happens. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Your first pull-up isn't earned only on the way up. It's earned on the way down. Instead of fighting to pull yourself over the bar, start at the top. Get your chin above the bar using a bench or a light assist, then lower yourself as slowly as possible. Count to 3 as you descend. Control every inch. Resist gravity instead of letting it win. If you need assistance to reach the top, that's okay, because the real strength is being built during the lowering phase. So let me ask you this. What if the rep you can't pull up yet is already making you stronger every time you come down under control? Every perfect negative brings your first full pull-up one step closer. But here's the exciting part, getting that first rep is only the beginning. Picture this. A week ago, even 1 pull-up felt impossible. Now you finally get your chin over the bar. Once, then, a few workouts later, you surprise yourself with a 2nd rep. Then, a 3rd. Suddenly, 5 clean pull-ups don't feel like a fantasy anymore, they feel within reach. This is where most people make a huge mistake. They get excited, start chasing bigger numbers, and every rep becomes shorter, sloppier, and full of swinging. Don't fall into that trap. 5 perfect pull-ups will always build more strength than 10 ugly ones. Focus on a full range of motion, stay in control, recover properly, and make each workout just a little harder than the last. Progress doesn't happen because you rush, it happens because you keep earning one quality rep after another. And this is exactly where most people unknowingly stop improving. What if I told you the hardest part isn't getting your first pull-up, it's getting past your fifth? This is where thousands of people hit a wall. They keep doing the same 5 reps, the same number of sets, at the same speed. Workout after workout. Weeks turn into months, but nothing changes. Why? Because your body has already solved the challenge. And once it does, it has no reason to become stronger. So ask yourself, if your body already knows exactly what's coming every time you grab the bar, why would it waste energy building more muscle? That's where progressive overload changes everything. Slow down every rep. Control the lowering phase longer. Add a little extra resistance when you're ready. Make your grip stronger. Give your muscles a new reason to adapt. That's how you break through a plateau, instead of living in it. So, how do you finally leave 5 reps behind and break into double digits? Imagine this for a second. You're no longer fighting for a single pull-up. 10 clean reps come and go. 12 feels controlled. 15 no longer leaves you hanging from the bar. Then one day you hit 18 and suddenly 20 doesn't feel impossible anymore, it feels inevitable. But that doesn't happen because you train harder every single day. It happens because you train smarter. Your goal isn't to destroy yourself in every workout. It's to leave each session a little stronger than the last. Protect your first set, because it's the truest measure of your strength. Focus on clean reps, recover properly, and add difficulty gradually instead of chasing exhaustion. Every workout should give your body a new reason to adapt. Then one day, you'll grab the bar, start pulling, and realize something incredible: the bar hasn't become lighter, you've become stronger. But reaching 20 perfect pull-ups changes far more than just the number of reps you can do. 20 pull-ups might look like just another fitness milestone, but that's the smallest reward you'll earn. The moment you reach that number, something quietly changes. Your back is stronger. Your grip feels unbreakable. Your posture naturally becomes more confident. And your upper body starts reflecting the work you've put in. But none of those are the biggest victory. Think about it: how many people actually stay consistent long enough to earn 20 clean pull-ups? Very few. That's why every rep becomes proof that you kept showing up when most people gave up. Somewhere along the way, you stopped hoping you could do more pull-ups and became the person who earns every single one. And once you reach that point, the only thing left is knowing exactly how to keep progressing from here. Don't overcomplicate it. Reaching 20 pull-ups isn't about finding a secret exercise or some magical shortcut. It's about following the right plan long enough for your body to adapt. Train pull-ups 2 or 3 times a week, not every single day. Build your grip with dead hangs. Master controlled negative pull-ups. Treat every rep like it matters, because perfect form always beats sloppy numbers. Keep your first set clean, track it every workout, and aim to improve just a little over time. 1 extra second of control. 1 more quality rep. That's how real progress is built. Week after week, something incredible starts happening. The bar doesn't actually get lighter. You just keep getting stronger. And now, the only thing standing between you and 20 perfect pull-ups is whether you'll take that first step today. Most people will finish this video, walk over to a pull-up bar, try 1 or 2 reps, and then quietly give up when it feels harder than they expected. But a much smaller group will keep showing up, workout after workout, until 20 perfect pull-ups become something they do without even thinking about it. So which group are you going to be? If you're serious about earning every rep, go down to the comments and type 20 starts today. Start today and become the person who earns 20 perfect pull-ups.